मा सगमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतंगमय। दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ। अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो ज्ञान में गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर। हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा। सदा ये मानव सेवा, वसेवक जन बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना। वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति।
विद्यालय विश्राम।
Ishana, please switch on your mic.
जो अपने कदमों की काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं वही अक्सर मंजिल पर पहुंचते हैं। तो इसी शब्दों के साथ हम आज के प्रार्थना सभा कार्यक्रम का आरंभ करते हैं। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है। सर हमेशा ऊंचा रहना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। तो इसी शब्दों के साथ मैं कौशिक को स्वागत करती हूँ देश के प्रति हमारे कर्तव्यों को याद दिलाने।
विद्यालय सावधान। विद्यालय प्रतिज्ञा की अवस्था में। प्रतिज्ञा शुरू।
भारतम
भारतम
अस्माकं मातृभूमिः भारतीयाः सर्वे अस्माकं भ्रातरः यं मातृभूमि प्राणेभ्योऽपि प्रियतर भवति। अस्याः समृद्धौ विविधसंस्कृतौ च वयम् अभिमन्यामहे। वयमस्याः सहयोग्याः अधिकारिणं भवतु सदा प्रयत्नमानाः भवेम। मातापितरौ गुरुश्च सम्मानेम। सर्वेभ्यः शिष्टतया व्यवहारेम। भारतं भारतीयांशं विश्वासपात्रतां प्रति जानीमः। तेषामेव कल्याणे समृद्धौ च अस्माकं
अस्माकं
सुखं
सुखं
नीतमस्ति।
नीतमस्ति।
जयतु भारतम्।
जयतु भारत।
यदि
विद्यालय
किसी काम को करने में डर लगे तो याद रखना ये संकेत है कि आपका काम वाकई में बहादुरी से भरा हुआ है। तो इसी ऐसा ही एक अच्छा सुविचार लेकर आ रही है अंजना केयर।
अद्यदिनस्य सुविचारः न चोराहार्यं न च राज्यहार्यं न भ्रातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृत्ये वर्धता एवं नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वप्रधानम्। अर्थः it cannot be stolen by the thieves nor the kings can take it away. It cannot be divided among brothers. It doesn't have any weight. If you spend regularly, it keeps growing. The wealth of knowledge is the most superior wealth of all. Aham punarami vadami न चोराहार्यं न च राज्यहार्यं न भ्रातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृत्ये वर्धता एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानम्। धन्यवादः।
समाचार पत्र हमारे जीवन का एक अपूर्ण हिस्सा है। तो आज की मुख्य समाचार लेकर आ रहा है ओमकार।
सुप्रभात में ओमकार आज के मुख्य समाचार सुप्रभात में ओमकार आज आप सभी के समक्ष आज के मुख्य समाचार लेकर प्रस्तुत हुआ हूं, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। पहले कुछ राष्ट्रीय समाचार। कल असम में 6.4 तीव्रता के भूकंप के झटके महसूस हुए। बिहार, बंगाल से लेकर अरुणाचल तक सहमे लोग। कोरोना वैक्सीन के टीकाकरण के लिए 18 साल से ज्यादा उम्र वाले लोगों के लिए कल से रजिस्ट्रेशन शुरू। ऑक्सीजन की कमी के कारण भारतीय वायुसेना का C-17 और IL-76 विमान राहत कार्यों में जुटे। खाली ऑक्सीजन कंटेनर्स विदेशियों से लाए जा रहे हैं भारत। अब कुछ खेल समाचार। IPL में RBC ने कांटे के मुकाबले में दिल्ली कैपिटल्स को 1 रन से दी मात। दिल्ली में कोरोना के बीच IPL। इन हालातों में भी 4 टीमों के करीब 100 खिलाड़ी 11 दिनों में 8 मैचेस खेलेंगे। अब कुछ राज्य समाचार। केरल में चुनावी नतीजों के दिन नहीं लगेगा लॉकडाउन, हाई कोर्ट ने खारिज की याचिका। और अंत में अब कुछ मौसम समाचार। आज कोच्चि का अधिकतम तापमान 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस रहेगा और न्यूनतम तापमान 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस रहेगा। धन्यवाद और आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।
विशेष कार्यक्रम के बिना प्रार्थना सभा अधूरा होता है। तो आज का विशेष कार्यक्रम लेकर आ रही है देविका ओएस।
सुप्रभातम्। अतिदिन विशेषण कार्यक्रमेण गुरुवंदना। गुरुर्ब्रह्म गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Guru is really the representative of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. He creates, sustains knowledge and destroys the weeds of ignorance. I salute such a Guru. जीवनस्य सर्वेषु नेत्रेषु गुरुः आवश्यकता अस्ति। अज्ञानेन आवृते नेत्रे गुरुः ज्ञानशालाकया उद्घाटयति। यद्यात्मशास्त्रे तु गुरुः विद्यातमेन देवस्य महात्यात् अपि अधिकम् अन्तु। यः ज्ञानं यच्छति या शास्त्राणि शिक्षाणि च स शिक्षकः। ऋषिः, आचार्यः, गुरुः, अध्यापकः इति अपि तस्य नामानि। भारतवर्षे प्राचीनकालदेव शिक्षकाय अधिमहत्त्वं प्रदातं। तस्य स्थानं राज्ञः अपि उक्तं। शिक्षकः विना ज्ञानप्राप्तिं स सम्भव। कवः तम् ईश्वरात् अपि श्रेष्ठः मान्यन्ते। अधुना भारतस्य राष्ट्रपतिना श्रेष्ठः शिक्षाः पुरस्क्रियन्ते। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. A guru is a person who delivers knowledge and impacts wisdom to his or disciples. The guru-disciple tradition is a unique feature of our nation and culture. The guru is the one who out ignorance from us. Guru is not the body, guru is light, guru is wisdom, and the light and wisdom are essential in our life. Guru means our teacher, the one who removes mental and spiritual darkness with his teachings and conduct. Dhanyavadah. Shubhodinamaste.
छोटी शब्द जो हम पढ़ते हैं वो हमारे शब्दकोश का हिस्सा बन जाता है। तो हमारे शब्दकोश में एक नया शब्द जोड़ने आ रही है एल्तिया।
नमस्कार। आज का शब्द कमलेहि, अर्थ लोटस, वाक्य सरोवरः कमलेहि बान्ति। धन्यवादः।
मनुष्य के लिए कितने कठिनाइयों का होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि कठिनाइयों के बिना सफलता का आनंद नहीं लिया जा सकता। तो इन्हीं एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के शब्द कहकर मैं आज के प्रार्थना सभा कार्यक्रम को समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद। Now I would like to hand over the mic to my seniors Devraj and Steve Daniel.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है, गुरु ही शंकर है, गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्मा है। ऐसे सद्गुरु को मेरा प्रणाम।
A very warm good morning to one and all. Reputed Principal of our Vidyalaya, Srimati Rama Devi R, Honorable C.P. Ramachandran Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, we all have gathered here to show our gratitude and token of love towards our Sanskrit teacher, Sri C.P. Ramachandran Sir, who is going to retire from our Vidyalaya.
The Scoutmaster guides the boy in the spirit of another brother. With this wonderful quote, let me welcome Aaron K. Benny and Abin Xavier, representing the whole Scouts and Guides of the Vidyalaya, to share their experience with Sir as their Scoutmaster.
Good morning, respected Principal Madam, teachers, and my dear friends, and to our respected Ramachandran Sir. Here I feel grateful to deliver this farewell speech on such an outstanding day like this. We are all here to bid goodbye to our valuable high teacher and our Scoutmaster Ramachandran Sir, who is retiring from the active position. Today, I realized how time and valued moments fly. I feel the honor to say that we must respect all the valuable skills and knowledge. Also, we must thank him for all his efforts, sincerity, and hard work for teaching with great patience. We talk about our experience with our sir. It's been like father to his children, very caring and ready to hear what we want to say, and a kind-hearted person who has been forgiving our mistakes without any complaint, and behaves politely even to notorious children like us. He provided opportunities to all Scout and Guides to know and involved in Bar Scout and Guide activities. I am not being his Sanskrit student, but I know that he is a great respected Scoutmaster. I want to highlight one of his sincerity to Scouting. He always keeps his Scout uniform with him, even if we are not having Scout period. More than anything, he is an innocent person. Even if we ask any of his students, they cannot decline this fact.
He has been in this respected position and service for over 30 years now. He has spent imparting the right knowledge and skill onto the students appropriately. He is sincere, responsible, well-respected, and has made imperishable contribution in his teaching profession. We always believe he is an achiever, generous, modest, and open-minded teacher. We sincerely respect the fact that he had been helpful to each and every student he come across. We feel very grateful to you that you stood by our side and motivated us in our hardship. By doing so, he had built the future leaders and brought out the best in everyone. So, with your life experiences, you have taught how to face hard situations and how to overcome those hardships like a phoenix. Throughout his career in the school, he was an excellent teacher and was responsible for his commitments in promoting the best techniques in the teaching sector. Sir, your outstanding qualities have inspired everyone. Thank you for everyone for the opportunity. Farewell, sir.
A teacher plants the seed of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nourishes their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams. Sir, to show our love, here is a small video presentation by Kirtana Rao and KK Sruthi of class 12, which showcases the love of the students.
It is rightly said that once a teacher is always a teacher. Sir, for all those students you have taught in your career, you will always be their beloved CPR, sir. It is commendable that you are so active and vibrant all these years and a part of AIKVT. It is a prestige to have you in our Vidyalaya. Here are some of the articles dedicated to you by your students. Hope you like it. is a process of free creation. Its laws and principles are fixed, but the manner in which the principles of generation are used is completely free. Our beloved CPR sir knows multiple languages such as Malayalam, Sanskrit, etc. He has also written lots of articles and has recited about various topics in Sanskrit. So now let's have a look at them.
മാരേ മഹാമാരി വ്യാധി മഹാവ്യാധി മാനവർക്കാകെ മഹാദുരന്തം ഈ നൂറ്റാണ്ടുകൊണ്ട മഹാദുരന്തം മാരേ മഹാമാരി വ്യാധി മഹാവ്യാധി മാനവർക്കാകെ മഹാദുരന്തം ഈ നൂറ്റാണ്ടുകൊണ്ട മഹാദുരന്തം ചീനയിൽ പൊട്ടിപ്പടർന്ന കൊറോണയായി ഭൂഗോളമാകെ ചുഴറ്റി വീശി മാനവരാശിയെ കൊന്നൊടുക്കി ഈ വ്യാധി മഹാവ്യാധി തൻ ദുരന്തം മാനവരെല്ലാരും ഓടിയൊളിക്കുന്നു തൻ ഭവനത്തിൽ പതുങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നു അന്യരായി മാറുന്നു ഉൾഭയത്താലഹോ മാനവൻ കേടുന്നു ജീവനായി ഈ മാരി മഹാമാരി തൻ ദുരന്തം.
സംസ്കൃതത്തിൽ ഒരു ശ്ലോകമുണ്ട്. യം മാതാപിതരൗ ക്ലേശം സഹേതേ സംഭവേ നൃണം ന തസ്യ നിഷ്കൃതി കർത്തും ശക്യ വർഷശതൈരവി തയോർനിത്യം പ്രിയം കുര്യാത് ആചാര്യസ്യ ച സർവദാ തേഷ്വേവ ത്രിഷു തുഷ്ടേഷു തപസ്സർവം സമാപ്യതേ. ഈ ശ്ലോകത്തിന്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്തെന്നാൽ യം മാതാപിതരോ ക്ലേശം സഹേതേ സംഭവേന്ദ്രണ, കുട്ടികളെ വളർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നതിൽ മാതാപിതാക്കൾ ഒരുപാട് ക്ലേശം കഷ്ടപ്പാട് അനുഭവിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ന തസ്യ നിഷ്കൃതി കർത്തും ശക്യ വർഷശതൈരവി, അതിൻ്റെ പ്രതിഫലം കുട്ടികൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നൽകേണ്ടത്? മാതാപിതാക്കൾ വയസ്സാകുമ്പോൾ അവരെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുക, അവരെ പരിചരിക്കുക, അവരുടെ ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ നിറവേറ്റി കൊടുക്കുക, അവരെ ദുഃഖിപ്പിക്കാതിരിക്കുക. എന്നാൽ ഈ സേവനം വർഷശതൈരവി 100 വർഷങ്ങൾ ചെയ്താൽ പോലും മാതാപിതാക്കൾ കുട്ടികളെ വളർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നതിൽ അനുഭവിച്ച കഷ്ടപ്പാടിന് സമമാകുന്നില്ല. ഇതാണ് ഈ ശ്ലോകത്തിന്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ 2 വരികളുടെ അർത്ഥം. അപ്പോൾ നാം എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? തയോർ നിത്യം പ്രിയം കുര്യാത് ആചാര്യസ്യ ച സർവദാ തേഷ്വേവ ത്രിഷു തുഷ്ടേഷു തപസ്സർവം സമാപ്യതേ. തയോർ നിത്യം പ്രിയം കുര്യാത്, അവർക്ക് നിത്യവും പ്രിയം ചെയ്യണം. മാതാപിതാക്കൾക്ക് നിത്യവും പ്രിയമായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ, അവർക്ക് പ്രിയമായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യണം. ആചാര്യസ്യ ച സദാ, ആചാര്യസ്യ ച ആചാര്യനും, മാതാവിനും പിതാവിനും തുല്യമായ സ്ഥാനമാണ് ആചാര്യനും നാം കൽപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. മാതാപിതാ ഗുരു ദൈവം എന്നാണ് ഭാരതീയ സങ്കല്പം. മാതാവിനും പിതാവും ഗുരുനാഥനും ഇവർ 3 പേരും സന്തുഷ്ടരായാൽ തേഷ്വേവ ത്രിഷു തുഷ്ടേഷു തപസ്സർവം സമാപ്യതേ. ഇവർ 3 പേരും സന്തുഷ്ടരായാൽ പിന്നെ എല്ലാ തപസ്സും ആരാധനയും വർഷിപ്പും അവസാനിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു എന്നാണ് ഈ ശ്ലോകത്തിന്റെ അർത്ഥം.
We all feel blessed to have you as our teacher, sir. Indeed, your teaching for building the nation is commendable. Thank you so much for being with us all these years. Indeed, your words of wisdom will surely help all of us to move ahead. We all wish you a good and healthy life ahead. Please do continue your Malayalam and Sanskrit writings and keep inspiring us. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Knowledge makes humble. Humility begets worthiness. Worthiness creates wealth and enrichment leads to right conduct, and right conduct brings contentment. With this powerful quote, may I invite Malavika Varghese of class 12 and Devi Krishna of class 10 to open their mind and share their experience with Sir as a teacher in both offline and online classes.
Good morning to everyone present here. I am Malavika Varghese of 12th A. I am here to express my gratitude towards our beloved Sanskrit teacher, C.P. Ramachandran sir. Our batch was so lucky to have Ramachandran sir as our Sanskrit teacher. I thank him for all his efforts, sincerity, and hard work for teaching with great patience. During his offline classes, he used to explain everything in detail and cleared our doubts about the lessons. He also explained the lessons in Malayalam so that we could understand the concepts more clearly. He is so humble and friendly to everyone. Thank you for making the class not boring and realize that learning is essential in life. Thank you for your patience and effort, sir. On behalf of our whole school present here today, we wish you all the best. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Reva Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Namaste, respected principal, teachers, and my fellow friends. We are gathered here to bid farewell to a highly valuable teacher, Mr. Ramachandran sir. Teaching is a profession that creates all other professions, and we are all grateful that you choose to be a teacher and we all learned under your umbrella of expertise. Sir, I thank you for everything you have taught us. Sir has worked tirelessly in shaping our minds, and we all learned under your guidance. He is the one who would never get angry at our silly mistakes and naughty habits. Instead, Sir always used to make us understand what is right and what's wrong by giving examples of his own experiences. Sanskrit was completely a new world to us, which appeared to us so confusing and hard when we first started learning it. But Sir has made it so easy that our easiest subject turned to Sanskrit. Even if we used to ask the same doubts repeatedly, Sir would never hesitate to teach us again and again. Apart from a teacher, Sir has become our friend and a wonderful mentor. This year had taken education to a completely next level. But Sir, you have surely been one of the ray of hope from guiding us to motivating us. Even through these tough times of the pandemic, Sir has made us feel so present in the class, and he helped us to cope up with the online classes. We all know how much your students mean to you and how they become your kids. Year after year, how much you love seeing them light up. There is no one like you. Certainly, you are the source of inspiration to many teachers here as well. Bidding adieu is the most difficult thing to say to one of the most amazing teachers. We will surely miss you, but your teachings will forever reside in our hearts. Thank you, sir, for being a cheerful friend, immensely knowledgeable mentor, and an incredible teacher. गुरु तेरी महिमा वर्ण करूं मैं कैसे, वर्ण तेरा लिखूं तो कागज छोटा हो। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, जीवन जीना भी सिखाते हैं आप। मुश्किलों में साथ आपका याद रहेगा, गिरते हुए को आपका हाथ याद रहेगा। आपकी जगह चाहे जो भी आए, आपके साथ हर जज्बात याद रहेगा। कुछ दिन बाद आप यहाँ से विदा होकर चले जाओगे, पर आशा है यही कि जहां भी जाओगे खुशियां ही पाओगे। धन्यवाद।
भाषासु मुख्या मधुरा दिव्यां गीर्वाण भारती तस्यामि काव्यं मधुरं तस्मादपि सुभाषितम्. Amongst all the languages, the language of God, that is Sanskrit, is sweet. In that the poetry is beautiful. and the cause is Subhashitam. With this powerful light, I hereby call Neha and Rishika of class 12 with a melodious song.
रुद्रं पशुपतिं स्थाणुं नीलकण्ठं मापतिं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नीलकण्ठं कालमूर्तिं कालज्ञं कालनाशनं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय सांबाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाश योगेनां पतये नमः
नीलकण्ठं विरूपाक्षं निर्मलं निलयप्रदं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति वामदेवं महादेवं लोकनाथं जगद्गुरुं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय सांबाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगेनां पतये नमः
देवदेवं जगन्नाथं देवेशं वृषभध्वजं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति गङ्गाधरं सर्वाभरणभूषितं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय सांबाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगेनां पतये नमः
नमः शिवाय सांबाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगेनां पतये नमः
प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगेनां पतये नमः
धन्यवादः
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now we have Sayuj K. Sujit and Althea Maria of class 10 with a small presentation on Sir's KVS days.
Good morning. Today I and my friend Althea are here to speak a few words about our beloved Sanskrit teacher C.P. Ramachandran sir. Today I realize how valued moments fly. Sir joined Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan on 25th January 1994. His first posting was in KV INS Dronacharya as TGT Sanskrit. On May 2002, he got transferred to KV Rubber Board Kottayam. On 2004, he came back to KV INS Dronacharya. On 2015, he got transferred to KV number 2. On 2018, he came back to KV INS Dronacharya. He received the Himalayan Wood Badge in Scouting in 2019. He has been very active in promoting Scouts and Guides and also in social welfare projects and charity club. He has been the in charge of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and also the excursion team. He also motivates the children to have a focused approach to achieve their goals of life. Throughout his career, he was an excellent teacher and responsible for his commitments and promoting the best teaching techniques in the teaching sector. Sir, your outstanding qualities have inspired everyone. You are not just a teacher to me, but an inspiration, a mentor, someone who selflessly imparts knowledge to me. I sincerely thank you for everything, sir. Thank you, sir.
The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of things, but the inward significance. Sir, we have a small token of love made magical hands of Kirtana Vikama, sir. May I request her to express?
Good morning, sir. I'm Kirtana Vikam of class 7th B. Sir, you were always an ideal inspiration for us. Even though I haven't got a chance to attend your offline classes, but your online classes made the language Sanskrit easy and understandable to me. Sir, you will be always remembered by all our students. I am blessed to be a student of yours. Thank you and keep blessing us. Sir, this is one drawing to you by me.
Good colleagues are those who knows that we is more important than me. Now, I request the presence of our respected teachers to come forward and show their gratitude and speak a few words about sir.
Now, I request Jata sir to come and.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. आदरणीय प्राचार्य मैडम और हमारे वरिष्ठ शिक्षक साथी श्री सीपी रामचंद्रन सर और हमारे विद्यालय के अन्य शिक्षक साथी एवं प्यारे बच्चों, आज इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं अपनी बात कैसे कहूँ। हम इसको शुभ अवसर माने या जिंदगी के एक नए पायदान पर प्रवेश करने जा रहे, आगे कदम बढ़ाने जा रहे श्रीमान सीपी रामचंद्रन सर के लिए मुझे डॉक्टर कुंवर बेचैन की दो पंक्तियां याद आती हैं। मैं उन पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी बात को प्रारंभ करता हूँ। होके मायूस ना यूं शाम से ढलते रहिए, होके मायूस ना यूं शाम से ढलते रहिए, जिंदगी भोर है सूरज से निकलते रहिए। एक ही ठाव पर ठहरोगे तो थक जाओगे, एक ही ठाव पर ठहरोगे तो थक जाओगे, धीरे धीरे ही सही पर चलते रहिए, पर चलते रहिए। आदरणीय सीपी रामचंद्रन सर, इनके बारे में मुझे बहुत कुछ बच्चों से जानने का अवसर मिला। सीपी रामचंद्रन सर से मेरी मुलाकात, पहली मुलाकात HWB हिमालय वुडवेज जो कैंप था स्काउटिंग का, उसमें मेरी पहली मुलाकात जयपुर जो कैंप है स्काउट गाइड का हेडक्वार्टर है, वहां पर मेरी मुलाकात हुई। सर का जो नेचर है, सर का जो व्यवहार है, वास्तव में काबिले तारीफ है। सर इतनी योग्यताएं, इतनी दक्षताएं सर के अंदर भरी पड़ी है कि हर कदम कदम पर हम उनसे प्रेरणा ले सकते हैं। प्रिय बच्चों, हम सबको सर से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और आशा है हम लोग आगे भी सीखते रहेंगे। सर का सादा जीवन, उच्च विचार की जो शैली है, वास्तव में बहुत ही हमारे लिए प्रेरणास्पद रहेगी। कभी भी सर के मुंह से किसी भी क्षेत्र में मैंने ना शब्द नहीं सुना कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा या मेरे से ये काम नहीं हो पाएगा। सर के साथ मेरा काफी एकेडमिक संबंध में काफी क्लोज रिश्ता रहा है। हम एक ही डिपार्टमेंट, एक ही सब्जेक्ट कमेटी के अंदर रह करके काम किए, लेकिन हमेशा ये सर होगा। और मुझे भी सर से बहुत मोटिवेशन मिला, क्योंकि मैं पहला पीजीटी के रूप में यहाँ मेरा पहला विद्यालय है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे मैं क्या करूंगा। लेकिन जब मैंने इस विद्यालय के लिए मुझे जब अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर मिला तो मैं बड़ी टेंशन में आ गया था कि केरल में जाकर, साउथ में जाकर कैसे काम करूंगा, वो भी ऐसे क्षेत्र में जहाँ पर हिंदी बच्चों की मातृभाषा नहीं है, जहाँ का वर्किंग लैंग्वेज हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है जितना नॉर्थ में मिलता है। तो मैंने सबसे पहला कॉल अगर इस विद्यालय में लगाया तो सीपी रामचंद्रन सर को लगाया, और सर ने कहा कि सर डोंट वरी, आप आ जाइए, हम आपके साथ हैं। मुझे वहीं से मोटिवेशन मिलता चला गया और मैं आज सर के साथ 2 साल पूरे कर लिए हैं, और मैं जगह जगह पर कदम कदम पर सर का मुझे बहुत सहयोग मिला। सर का न केवल स्काउट में बल्कि सब्जेक्ट में भी बहुत अच्छी पकड़ है। हालांकि मैं भी संस्कृत का स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ, मुझे भी 10th 12th क्लास में संस्कृत ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट के रूप में पढ़ने को मिला। जहाँ भी मेरे डाउट्स थे मैंने सर से बहुत क्लियर किए, और सर ने जगह जगह पर मुझे मोटिवेट किया और मेरे जो डाउट्स थे वो क्लियर किए। तो कहीं ना कहीं सर के अंदर वो प्रतिभा छुपी हुई थी जिनका हमने भरपूर उपयोग किया, भरपूर उनसे प्रेरणा ली। और इसके साथ ही में सर के एक और जो सबसे जो मुझे जो पॉजिटिव जो व्यू लगा वो लगा मिलनसार प्रवृत्ति। हमेशा कभी भी हेल्प की जरूरत पड़ी, चाहे वो स्कूल से संबंधित है, चाहे हमारी व्यक्तिगत लाइफ से संबंध है या हमारे सोशल लाइफ से संबंध है, सर हमेशा यस सर मैं आ रहा हूँ, सर मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगा। तो जहाँ जहाँ हमें ऐसे सुदूर दक्षिण में आकर के जॉब करने का ऑफर मिला, जॉब करने का चांस मिला, तो सर जैसी शख्सियत हमारे जब साथ में थी तो हमें किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम न केवल पीजीटी, पीआरटी ऐसा सर के अंदर कहीं कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं मुझे देखने को मिली, और हम सबको बिल्कुल एक बड़े भाई की तरह हमारा मार्गदर्शन करते रहे। और हम जिस तरह से घर के छोटे सदस्यों के साथ कैसा व्यवहार करते हैं वैसा ही सर के द्वारा हमें वही प्यार दुलार सब कुछ मिलता रहा। और इसी साथ साथ कार्य के प्रति समर्पण, सर कभी भी मैंने देखा कि सर का काम पेंडिंग नहीं मिला। पूरे 2 साल में सारा काम बिल्कुल अप टू डेट, कभी भी कुछ भी चीज की जरूरत पड़ी हाँ सर हम लोग करेंगे, हो चुका है सर। तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा, सर से भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा कि उम्र के इस पायदान पे, रिटायरमेंट की इस अवस्था में आकर लोग शारीरिक रूप से या मानसिक रूप से लोग थोड़े शिथिल होने लगते हैं, लेकिन मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा था पिछले 2 सालों में कि सर कहीं रिटायरमेंट होने की स्थिति में ही नहीं है। यानी हम लोग देखें तो सर का जो मोटिवेशन है, सर की जो कार्यशैली है, सर का जो जीवनचर्या है वो बहुत ही हमारे लिए प्रेरणास्पद रहेगी। और इसके साथ साथ मैं सर के लिए 2 पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगा। मैं सर के लिए कामना करता हूँ कि सजती रहे खुशियों की महफिल, सजती रहे खुशियों की महफिल, हर खुशी इतनी सुहानी रहे, आप जिंदगी में इतने खुश रहें कि हर खुशी आपकी दीवानी रहे, आपकी दीवानी रहे। थैंक यू सर। आशा है आप हमारे विद्यालय परिवार के साथ ऐसे ही जुड़े रहेंगे और अपने आने वाले जो समय में है उसमें जो हमारा परिवार है, हमारा जो समाज है वो कहीं थोड़ा सा पीछे छूट जाता है जॉब में रह करके, नौकरी में रह करके, तो शायद सर अब पूरा कर पाएंगे। और मुझे कहीं नहीं लगता कि सर किसी भी क्षेत्र में पीछे रहेंगे। अभी तक उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से अपने सारी ड्यूटीज को, सारे दायित्व को, चाहे वो पारिवारिक दायित्व है, चाहे वो हमारे विद्यालय के प्रति जो दायित्व है, संगठन के प्रति दायित्व है, उनको उन्होंने पूरी तरह से निभाया। आशा है सर जीवन में स्वस्थ रहें, खुश रहें और जो चीज छूट गई है उनको प्राप्त करने की कोशिश में लगे रहें। थैंक यू ऑल।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, to invite Madam, express, please.
Mercy ma'am, please give your impressions. Mercy ma'am,
Madam, I
please
hope
unmute
mic
your
is
device.
muted. Mic is muted, I think.
Mercy,
Mercy madam. Mercy madam, mic is muted, I think.
Mercy ma'am, you are requested to unmute the button. You are not audible. Unmute the button, please. Children, can we invite the next speaker? Please give comparing for that.
Now, may I request Joseph, sir?
Okay, madam.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Shall I
Let
start?
Mercy Madam continue. Yeah.
Okay. A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, dear Ramchandran sir, dear colleagues, and my dear children. Today, we have this virtual assembly to bid adieu to our dear Ramchandran sir, who is retiring from service after rendering service in this Vidyalaya for more than 2 decades. Sir, your friendly approach have motivated our children to opt for Sanskrit over Hindi. Your devotion, your dedication, hard work, and all the efforts you have put in teaching our children have made you an incredible teacher. Your sense of humor and friendly approach gave our children a bit of relief during the stressful period. Children used to eagerly wait for your class. They enjoyed your class. They enjoyed your company. And you were very popular among our children. The school has been very fortunate enough to have you as a teacher. I know sir since 2003. He was very active in all the activities of the school. He was very active in scout activities, in conducting the scout camps, escorting children for trekking to different places, even to, I think, far off places like Panchmani. And children enjoyed it. Not only that, he was involved in other activities of the school like charity work. He was a member of charity club. He has undertaken many charity activities, visiting hospitals for distributing medicines for the cancer patients, then distributing essentials for the needy people of Chellanam during the calamity of flood. Then he used to make arrangement for educational tour. He used to manage the vehicles and he used to select the spot for it. Then whenever we had an academic inspection, the welcome was given by his scout band. He was always there in the forefront. Then National Day celebrations, his presence was there every time. Then no annual day was celebrated in the Vidyalaya without a Sanskrit skit. Though we did not understand Sanskrit, we used to understand and everyone enjoyed the Sanskrit skit more than any other item. The Puranas was depicted very befitting manner, very effectively, which even a common man could understand. Sir, you are great. And what not? He was an all-rounder, an active member. He is going to retire, I cannot believe. He is still young in mind and young in body. Sir, we hope to see you back to this school as Sanskrit teacher till a new recruitee joins the school. Sir's house is only a few meters away from our school. And I'm sure Sir will be always ready to help us out in any difficult situation. When we need to know about the details of the 10 to 20 years back, I think he will be there ready to help us. Nobody else in this school will be having wide knowledge like him. He was very popular among students and also parents. He has got an update knowledge about every parent and student. Sir, you will retire from service, but your memories will stay in our hearts and our children's hearts forever. Now, sir, you are going to be your own boss. You are going to enjoy the life, and you will enjoy it, I'm sure. And let me call it bliss. And I also long for that, when that day will come in my life also. I wish you a long, happy, and healthy retirement life ahead. Best wishes for you and your families, sir, as you enter into this new phase of your life. Thank you, sir. Goodbye. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Now I request Joseph sir to speak.
At the outset, let me thank Mrs. Anita Sharma and Mrs. Rukman, and as well as my dear children, for having given me this opportunity to express my feelings during this August gathering. And respected Principal Rema Devi Madam, Honorable Mr. Ramachandran Sir, respected colleagues and friends, and my dear children, it is an honor to say a few words on this august occasion. A friend in need is a friend indeed. And this particular tagline suits very well with our C.P. Ramachandran sir. I've been having a long-term association with Ramachandran sir since 2002, way back in Kottayam Rubber Board. A young, prancing stallions going about with our work. But after I left, and after he had also left Kottayam Rubber Board, our connectivity got de-linked. And it resumed only just recently, about 3 years back, when I was reminded by my friend and colleague Shadananand sir, PGT Chemistry of KVNAD Alva. He had actually reminded me that CPR sir was there in Kochi, very much in Kochi, and he would be able to help me out in my need of getting an accommodation, since I was on standing, in transfer orders from Ottapalam to Kochi way back in 2007. And this friendship again resumed, and it will continue. It will never get de-linked, I'm sure. I promise. I really personally feel secure that on his retirement too, CPR sir is still there, just a stone's throw away, from whom I can get help at any time. Among many other responsibilities he held in this Vidyalaya, the staff club, the charity club, and notably the Boy Scout movement. The scouts here will surely miss our dear CPR sir's leadership. It is well known about his clout with the parents and students, both past and present, as well as with the elite personalities in the community of Kochi. For when we need it, he pulls up all his resources to help us resolve issues. Even after we bid him farewell, his presence will be felt in the corridors, the staff rooms, and the classrooms of this Vidyalaya. His voice and his vivid laughter will still sound everywhere in this Vidyalaya, as it does ring in my ears very often. It is time, at least now, on your retirement, sir, to put family before your work. The time has now come to turn the leaf of his book, drawing a close to the final chapter of his service career, thus opening a new chapter in his life. And before I conclude, let me just read out a few lines which I just came by when I was thinking about his retirement. It goes like this. Time goes by so very fast, it's so hard to believe. It's time for your retirement, time to feel free. You've worked so hard to make this dream come true, and no one deserves it any more than you. You have had some rough times. You made it through them all. You made the best of what life brings, and today you're standing tall. I wish you days of happiness, not filled with any strife. I hope that your retirement years are the best years of your life. With these few words, let me just conclude by saying that it would take eons to laud a personality such as our dear CPR sir. And therefore, I would conclude by wishing my dear friend, Mr. C.P. Ramachandran, a blissful and a happy retired life. All the best, sir. Good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, we would love to invite our beloved CPR sir to express his feelings and bless the students. Sir, please.
Respected Principal Madam, dear colleagues, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure in addressing you all in this fine morning. Although it is in a virtual mode, I feel myself, in my mind, I am seeing you all face to face. You know very well that our country is going through a very tough situation. But even then, a morning assembly, a special morning assembly has been organized on behalf of me for giving me farewell. I feel very much happy in this. First of all, let me express my thanks and gratitude to our respected Principal Madam. Under Madam's guidance only, this wonderful program has been organized. Also, I wish to express my thanks and gratitude to Anita Madam, CCA in charge, Rupma Madam, Santosh Sir, Jadhav Sir, Joseph Sir, other teachers, and all the students, and especially the students who came forward to present various items in this morning assembly. All of them have done sincere effort, wonderful job in making this morning program, assembly program, a grand success. I joined in KVS in the year 1994. Fortunately, my first appointment was in KV INS Dronacharya. I feel it is a blessing. In Kerala, next to my native district, I got my first appointment. And another thing which makes me happy is that I have completed 27 years of service in KVS. Out of these 27 years, 22 years I served in KV INS Dronacharya. In 1994, when I got appointment in KV INS Dronacharya, the school was not in Mundameli. The school was there in Fort Kochi, the INS Dronacharya Navy campus, one end of that campus. It was a very small school. And roofs and walls were made of asbestos. A temporary building only. We can say it is only a shed, a temporary building only, made by Navy. It was a 2-division school. Classes were up to 10th standard only. Higher secondary classes are not there. And in 2002 only, the school was shifted to Mundameli. The new school building was constructed, and the school also developed. The 2-division schools became 3-division schools. Higher secondary classes were started. At the beginning, there was only science batch. Science stream only was there. But then commerce stream also started. And now the school has become a full-fledged institution with all facilities. So, my dear children, you should understand that you are all very much lucky that you are all studying in a prestigious institution. You know, Kendriya Vidyalaya is a prestigious institution under Government of India. You have got admission in Kendriya Vidyalaya. You are all very much lucky there. Okay, and what I want to tell you is that you should realize that everybody should come forward. You have got excellent teachers, well qualified teachers, dedicated to do service. Grab the complete knowledge from these teachers and come forward and come to the top. And always I used to say, when you are progressing through academics, you should not forget the human values also. Education without human values is of no use. So my dear children, so that is why in the video, the higher class children, they have shown the video there. I expressed one sloka. Okay, the meaning I told in Malayalam only. There, you can understand the human values there. Okay, and there is a famous quotation given by Gandhiji. If boys and girls do not learn discipline in their school days, the time and money spent for their education is a national waste. This is the words of Gandhiji. I would like to say in this occasion. If boys and girls do not learn discipline in their school days, the money and time spent for their education is a national waste. Okay, please, you should understand that. Okay, so you should know how to behave in the society. Okay, along with the studies, you should acquire human values. Respect your father, respect your mother, respect your teacher, respect the elders. Okay. So the one sloka I recited there, I would like to recite that sloka once again. Yam Mada Pidaru Klesham Sahede Sambhavendranam Na Tasya Nishkriti Kartum Shakya Varsha Shadiravi Tayor Nityam Priyam Kuryad Ajaryasita Sarvada Tesheva Trishu Tushteshu Tabas Sarvam Samakyade. Okay. The meaning was explained in Malayalam there. That video, so last year only one video it was taken, so on the occasion of the Grandparents' Day. Okay, when we celebrated the Grandparents' Day at that time, one video was taken. There only I recited that sloka. So I explained that sloka's meaning in Malayalam because Grandparents' Day it was conducted by one charity association. For them, only the Malayalam language was needed, so that it was explained in Malayalam. But I would like to tell that meaning of that in English now for the knowledge of other children, those who don't know Malayalam. Okay. Yam Mada Pidru Klesham Sahede Sambhavendranam Natasya Nishkriti Kartum Shakya Varsha Saderapi. Parents suffer a lot in bringing up their children. Parents suffer a lot. The hard-earned money they are spending for your education. Okay. Yam Mada Pidru Klesham Sahede Sambhavendranam Natasya Nishkritihi. Tasya Nishkriti, it is a debt only. You have to pay the debt. Repayment should be done. How can you repay the debt? When they become old, you will serve them, you will make them happy, you will meet their needs. Okay, that is the thing you are doing when you get a job. Okay, you will be doing that, you will be serving them. Okay, but that service, you are doing that service for 100 years. Even if you are doing the service for 100 years, that is not equal to the trouble, to the suffering which they have undergone in bringing up your children. Okay, that is the meaning of this. So everything is included, all life principles are included in this. So what is to be done? Tayor nityam priyam kuryad ajaryasya cha sarvada tesheva trishu tushteshu tabas sarvam samapyate. So you have to do priyam, good things for them. You have to make them happy. Tayor nityam priyam kuryad ajaryasya cha. So you should make your father happy, you should make your mother happy, you should make your teacher happy. Teshu trishu tushteshu tabas sarvam samapyade. If these three are happy, tabaha sarvam samapyade, all worships are over. No need of doing any worship. No need of going to temple, church or mosque to worship God. Your gods are your father, mother and teacher. They are your gods. Serve them. Okay. So here all life principles are included in this poem. That is enough. Okay. So what I want to tell you, my dear children, on this occasion is that you should come up, utilize maximum facilities, come up, make your life successful. Okay, at the same time, you should be a useful citizen of our nation. Okay, you should bring happiness to home. You should love your parents. You should love your elders. Okay, and bring happiness to your home. Okay. That is the thing I would like to tell you on this occasion. Okay. Now, I am very much thankful to all my colleagues, my teachers, all the good words spoken on behalf of me. I am very much thankful to each and everyone. And once again, I am expressing my thanks and gratitude to our respected Principal Madam. Now, thank you, children. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call our respected English teacher, Santosh sir, to speak.
Good morning. Morning, dear children. Morning, Principal Ma'am, and dear colleagues and dearest CP Ramachandran sir. Sir, namaskaram.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks to Anita Madam for giving me a chance. It is on demand. जैसे आप गजल सुनने जाते हैं कभी, गजल की महफिल में बैठेंगे, जितना ज्यादा फरमाइश होगी, इसका मतलब यह है कि गजल बहुत अच्छा है. If a person is singing a ghazal, if too many people are requesting, I want to speak, it shows that the singer is very good. So how can I leave this meeting without speaking something about my beloved CPR sir? Sir, first of all, wish you all the best for your new innings in life. As we all know, I usually used to tell in our staff room that look at CPR sir and can you tell me, or can anyone tell that he's going to retire? He's not even tired. Forget about being retired. He's full of energy, enthusiasm, like a studious student. That is the way he functions in the school. Like in Sanskrit, there is a beautiful comparison of how we should live in this world. We should not allow the negativities in this world to affect us. We should be like a lotus in the mud, like Padmapatram Ivambasa. That is the way he has lived his life in this organization, and that is why he remains fresh and innocent and full of life all the time. I have seen very few people who can laugh like a child when we crack a joke, and CPR sir is definitely one such person. Whenever we crack a joke, he laughs his heart out and makes the whole environment so positive and easy to function. And whenever, as Jatav sir rightly said, anyone who comes to KV Dronacharya would have definitely contacted CPR sir once at least regarding their accommodation, regarding any other thing related to the society outside the Vidyalaya. So I would like to say one very interesting thing about CPR sir's name, three-letter word. Three-letter words have always been very popular even in politics, like MGR, EMS, like this, So CPR, that three-letter word is more than enough to say everything about him. I would say PR. PR is a very popular word these days, public relations. So the quality of him is there in his name itself. He is an amazing PR. He is very good at maintaining his public relations and thus keeping the image of the Vidyalaya very high. And C stands for commitment and compassion. So CPR, the three letters are enough to speak everything about you, sir. And thanks for being such an amazing colleague. I would, all those teachers who sit in our staff room there would really, really miss you every moment and every day. And we wish you all, your family, a very happy, healthy, and peaceful. And I know you will not stop working. You will definitely take up new assignments. Wish you all the best in all your endeavors. Thank you once again, and congrats to all the lovely children who have done an amazing tribute to Sir. Sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, I would request the presence of our Madam Principal, Srimati Rama, to speak a few words. Madam, please.
Revered Sri Ramachandran sir and family, parents, staff, and dear children. Good morning, all of you. By looking at Ramachandran sir in the screen, a story comes into my mind. When Swami Vivekananda was about to start his journey for the Chicago speech, his mother was having a doubt whether my child is fit for doing such a speech. So she invited her son for a dinner. He came for the dinner, and after dinner, a delicious sweet mango was kept on the table with a knife. She asked the child, Swami Vivekananda, to take the knife for cutting the mango. Immediately, by seeing the sweet and delicious mango, he was very much excited. He took the knife and gave it to his mother by keeping the pointed end towards him and handle towards the mother. By seeing this, mother said, "Yes, my child, you are the fit personality to present the speech over there." Ramachandran sir is a replica of our Swami Vivekananda. You know, retirement is a blank sheet of paper. It is a chance to redesign your life into something new and different. Today, we have all gathered virtually here to commemorate the retirement of our vibrant and brilliant teacher and mentor, Mr. C.P. Ramachandran sir, TGT Sanskrit. I feel who is the main pillar of our Vidyalaya. He is bidding farewell to us on 31st of May 2021, means next month, after 27 years of dedicated service to the institution. I am genuinely delighted and happy to see you all present here. Thank you for coming along. You all showed a loving and amazing program towards your honorable and the inspiring teacher. Thank you all. Now about his job, about his profile. Sayuj had given a clear explanation. Sir joined in KVS on 25th of January 1994. His first posting was in KV INS Dronacharya. As Sir pointed out, total 22 years in KV INS Dronacharya. Besides the school, Sir had worked in KV Rubber Board Kottayam, KV Idukki, KV Kavarthi, and KV number 2 Naval Base. So total 27 years of memorable service, and ultimately land up in KV INS Dronacharya. We know Sir is an active organizer in Bharat Scout and Guide, and he had achieved HWB badge. Whenever the word Bharat Scout and Guide, BSG, is heard, the first thought is on approaching Ramachandran sir. I had been fortunate to work with one of the outstanding, dearest, down-to-earth personality in the Vidyalaya, with the pet name we call CPR sir. Santosh sir had given a beautiful explanation of CPR sir. Though my association with the sir is very short, yet I feel he is known to me for past many years. His attitude and dedication towards the work is appreciable. He is young in mind still. We should learn many qualities from sir. No doubt, sir is an asset to our institution and to KVS. And definitely KV INS Dronacharya is going to miss you, sir, in each and every program, whether it is of student, parents, or staff. The doors of the school is open to you, sir. Always, you are welcome to the Vidyalaya. You will always be remembered for your hard work throughout the years. Thank you for your empathy, compassion, and love towards the team. Enjoy your retirement days with family. Wishing you a happy and prosperous retired life. Let Almighty shower you and family with His choicest blessings for long, long years of retired life, with your wife, children, grandchildren, friends, and society. Thank you all. Thank you for giving me a chance to present in the meeting, and at the same time, lot of thanks to the organizers behind the program. Thank you once again.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, may I call upon the Nightingale of our Vidyalaya, Gifty Mary of Class 12 for the farewell song.
ആശംസഗാനം പാടാം ആമോദരാഗം മൂളാം ആശംസഗാനം പാടാം ആമോദരാഗം മൂളാം പിരിയാത്ത ഓർമ്മകൾ പൊഴിയാത്ത നന്മകൾ മൃദുമന്ത്രണം നീട്ടിടത്തിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ പാടാം മംഗളങ്ങൾ ഒന്നായി നേരാം ആശംസകൾ ഞങ്ങൾ പാടാം മംഗളങ്ങൾ ഒന്നായി നേരാം ആശംസകൾ ഒരുപാടു നന്മകളേകി അതിലേറെ സ്നേഹവുമായി ഇനിയുള്ള നാളുകളെന്നും അനുഗ്രഹ പൂമഴ കാണും നന്ദിതന്മരമലരേക പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാമെന്നെന്നും ഞങ്ങൾ പതരാത്ത പാദങ്ങളോടെ ജീവിത വീഥികൾ നീങ്ങാൻ കൂട്ടിനായി ദൈവമുണ്ടല്ലോ കരമേകും കാരുണ്യമോടെ നന്ദിതന്മരമലരേക നന്ദിതന്മരമലരേക പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാമെന്നെന്നും ഞങ്ങൾ ആശംസഗാനം പാടാം ആമോദരാഗം മൂളാം പിരിയാത്ത ഓർമ്മകൾ ഒഴിയാത്ത നന്മകൾ മൃദുമന്ത്രണം നീട്ടിടത്തിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ പാടാം മംഗളങ്ങൾ ഒന്നായി നീങ്ങാം ആശംസകൾ ഞങ്ങൾ പാടാം മംഗളങ്ങൾ ഒന്നായി നേരാം ആശംസകൾ ഒന്നായി നേരാം ആശംസകൾ.
Thank you for your endless patience, sir, motivation and persistence. You helped us a lot.
You did everything you could to help your students shine despite the nasty challenges. No one has ever seen new wine. Thank you, sir, for being a teacher, so passionate and caring.
With this quote, I, Devraj Lal and Steve Daniel of Class 12 signing off. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.